Hey guys, what's up? Hello and welcome. A surge of COVID 19, Section 144 imposed in Maharashtra for 15 days. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray announced on Tuesday night that prohibitory order under Section 144 would be imposed across the state from Wednesday at 8 pm onwards. He urged people to follow a Janta curfew and stay indoors voluntarily. This order will be in place for 15 days. Section 144 of CRPC of 1973 authorizes the executive magistrate of any state or territory to issue an order to prohibit the assembly of 4 or more people in an area. It is typically used to stall protests and riots. School and other educational institutions will remain shut until the order remains in force. Public gathering, including political rallies, would not be allowed during this time. This is no time for politics, CM said. From 7 am to 8 pm, only essential services will be allowed to operate, including delivery workers. While public transports will continue, it should be only used for essential services. Hospital, doctors, medical stores, those involved in vaccination drive, mask manufacture, etc. can continue to function. Hotel and restaurant will remain closed. Petrol pumps, financial institutions associated with SEBI and construction work will continue. Maharashtra government will be providing 3 kg of wheat and 2 kg of rice free for next 1 month to every poor and needy person. The number of total cases in Maharashtra as today is 3.4 million. Total number of recoveries 2.8 million. Total number of deaths 58,000. Overall recovery rate in the state is at 81%. Doubling rate is at 38 days and growth rate at 1.79%. Thank you for watching and God bless you.